Welcome to my in-depth review of Thenx, one of the leading platforms for calisthenics and bodyweight fitness training. The homepage greets users with a clean and modern interface that emphasizes simplicity and accessibility. The layout is well structured, providing quick access to various workout programs, tutorials, and tools. At first glance, the site is inviting, offering a balance between functionality and aesthetic appeal. Upon exploring the workout program section, users are presented with a range of training plans tailored for different fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner stepping into calisthenics for the first time or an advanced athlete looking to refine your skills, Thenx offers something for everyone. Each program includes detailed video tutorials led by experts, ensuring exercises are performed with proper technique to minimize injury risks. One of the standout features is the mobile app integration, allowing users to seamlessly sync their workouts across devices. This app mirrors the website's interface, ensuring a consistent and user-friendly experience. The instructional videos are of high quality, with clear demonstrations and step-by-step guidance. A closer look at the website's blog reveals additional resources, including tips on nutrition, recovery, and maintaining motivation. This holistic approach makes Thenx not just a workout platform, but a comprehensive fitness resource. The community aspect of Thenx also deserves a mention. Forums and social spaces allow users to interact, share progress, and seek advice from fellow enthusiasts. This fosters a sense of camaraderie that is often missing in other fitness platforms. However, while the site excels in its offerings, some areas could use improvement. The subscription plans might be slightly on the higher side for casual users, and the lack of offline access for premium videos could be inconvenient for some. Overall, Thenx shines as a dedicated platform for bodyweight training and fitness education, combining technical expertise with a user-focused design. If you're passionate about calisthenics or just starting your fitness journey, this site is worth checking out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more reviews like this one.